So today, this is how we're going to lay out your mortise and tenon joint. First off, you're going to pick out the size chisel you're going to use to actually cut the mortise. But right now, we're going to lay out the tenon for that mortise. You're going to take your marking gauge and kind of roughly guess where it's going to be on either end of the chisel, so you can set the width of the tenon that it's going to be, that it'll slip in the mortise joint. And as you can see here, I scribed those two lines on the board. You're going to make sure that those two lines are slightly. Now after your tenon's laid out, now for the fun part. Now you get to start removing material to create your tenon. Now as you can see here, we're about done cutting the tenon out completely here. I'm just final adjusting everything and bringing all my wood down to those marks that I used with the marking gauge. And then here in a little bit, I'm going to check that tenon with my chisel that I'm going to use to cut the mortise out with, and make sure it's still slightly bigger than the chisel itself, because you can always remove material later. If you remove too much now, you won't be able to put that material back, so you won't have a nice tight fit.